Hi everybody, welcome to a Tiny Tip Tuesday. Today I am going to talk to you a little bit about our awesome embossing paste. Now, this is something that I tend to go in spurts with. I get all excited and I use it a ton of times and use up a jar, or I don't. And the jar just sort of sits. Now, when you get your jars, they come in a Ziploc bag, which you're supposed to keep them in. So, let me show you what may or may not happen for you, but it usually does when you don't use it. It becomes very, very hard. Now, this is how this jar of shimmery white was earlier. And now you can see, isn't that pretty? You can see that now it looks more, well, it kind of looks like cottage cheese. But all I did was, I used a spritzer. When it was like this, I actually poured water into it and let it sit for a little bit. But this, I just keep spritzing it and using my bone folder to just kind of wiggle it around. And sometimes, like even in this one, I wanted to use it in a hurry, so I wasn't like chopping it up. But and I know it's going to dry out again, so I didn't want to like hurry up and like just make a big mess. So it gets to the point where you can use it. And let me grab my dirty plate here. So then you can take a little bit of it out. I'm just going to use a little because I don't want to waste it because I'm cheap. And you can put it out on a plate. Obviously, you would do more than I'm doing. And if you add food coloring to it, you can see these are ones that I did earlier and they're dry now. But can you see the sparkle? Look at how gorgeous that is. So, that's my tip, is when your embossing paste dries out, just keep like adding water. Like I said, when it's at the rock hard stage, like it is here, you're going to want to pour water into it, let it sit, wiggle it, and it takes some work, which is why I know I like to just use mine up right away, because this is what happens. It's just a byproduct of the actual product. So the other tip is, normally when you're doing this, you're going to be using our paint palettes, which I have here. This is the one I tend to grab, but it comes with 3 different styles. In case you're wondering, a little like, I don't know. I have no idea what to call them. They're all little spatulas to me. So it comes with 3 different kinds, and it's our palette knives. So you get 3 of them. You're going to wash them right away. Now, I used my bone folder to stir it because it's a little stronger than the paint palettes. You can also use a knife or something, but you definitely want to clean it with more. I'm using like a wet wipe kind of thing on my bone folder because it's nice and soft, and you know, it's still pretty dry. But when you're using it for like the templates and stuff, the masks, you're going to want to put those in water. I'll do a Saturday sip or something, or another video class on how to use these more. Today's tip was all about what to do when it dries out. And just so you can see, there's the piece that I was working. Here's the finished card that I did. You can see I actually did it in 2 colors. This side is Blushing Bride re-inker, and this side is Pool Party re-inker. And so there it is. I'm hoping you can see the shimmer. I took a picture of it to post, and the picture just does not show the shimmer. So I'm hoping y'all can see that. This is with the shimmer one, which is still available. So there's your tiny tip today. Just add water. Today is election day in the United States. I voted. Go vote. Good luck. Bye, everybody.